Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility and securing a backup. Make sure your iPhone runs the latest iOS and supports Esim. You'll avoid activation errors. Once done, connect to stable Wi-Fi and disable VPN. Retrieve the Airtel QR or activation code from SMS or the Airtel app and note your SIM PIN. Open Settings immediately and tap Cellular to start adding a new eSIM profile. This first action begins the update process, and you now scan or enter the Airtel activation details to install the eSIM. Tap Add Cellular Plan and point your camera at the QR code. If scanning fails, choose Enter Details manually and type the activation code exactly. When the carrier profile appears, read and accept any terms, then assign a label like Airtel eSIM. Make sure you choose which line is default for voice and cellular data. This decision affects calls and mobile data immediately, so select according to your usage. Finish by restarting your iPhone and checking for the Airtel network and signal bars. You should see the new plan active under Settings Cellular and be able to make a test call or use mobile data. If activation stalls, toggle airplane mode, restart again, and retry scanning the QR. Manual code entry often resolves problems. As one key troubleshooting tip, if nothing works, contact Airtel support with your ICSID and activation code, and avoid removing the physical SIM until the eSIM is fully confirmed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.